This is your annual supporter file for Wednesday, I believe the 3rd of November. And we used to call these rocker cards. They've been around for a little while. And I haven't made these for you guys before, so I thought I would go ahead and set one up. Now, I haven't checked my sizing or anything on my images, so you may need to adjust those and pick those for whatever images that you have. Now, I did cut 3 sets of the flowers, and then I just doubled up my trees and my reindeer and stuff. But you can cut any images that you want for yours. Now, on the first one, well, on both of them actually, you're going to fold them in half and burnish on the score. Now, if you want to do writing on the inside, you can do that, or stamp it, or you can write on the outside, or you can change this writing out for something else, an image, whatever you want to use. But I figured I would just stamp the inside of mine. I have a piece of white paper there. There we go. And these are some, I searched stitched edges. I don't remember exactly what the name of them were, but I'm going to pull them up in case you guys want to use them for another project. Let's see. It is called Nested Stitched Circle Frames. And there's several of them, and all I did was contour out the center hole. Now, it didn't take out all of the little bitty centers of all of these for me, and I'm good with that. I just wanted it to give it that stitched look. And when you go smaller with it, you're not going to get those out of there at all. But it gives it that stitched look like you would get with a die. So that's what I was going for, and this is working fine for me. It's a little easier to get them out on these larger ones, but the smaller you go, it's just going to look stitched. So we've got both of them folded in half. Again, this is 2 cards. I'm not going to put both of them together. I'm only going to do one. I just did cut both of them so you could see how they're folded. Now, the one that has the one cut in the center of it are all mountain folds. You have several little scores here, and you're just going to go in and pinch that. Well, it's a mountain valley. And then we have another one right here. Pinch that one. And there it is. I almost missed that score line. Let's see if I can salvage it here. And then there's one on this side. Okay. And it is marked in there for you guys. And that is just so we can bring this down like so. There we go. Now I've got it. So you're going to burnish, and that's what that's going to look like. Okay, just a little stair step. And then you're going, excuse me, then you're going to apply whatever images and things like that you want to use on these edges. And then the center over here is where your circle's going to go. Now, I cut mine from acetate, but you most certainly can cut them from cardstock and decorate that up. But I was going for like a snow globe look. Okay, so that is one. Then you've got this one here, and these are going to fold different. This one right down the center are both mountains, and then the next one is a valley, and the next one is a mountain. So you just kind of pinch that like so, and then the same thing on this side. Okay, so it's mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, and then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. A mountain, valley, mountain, valley. So that you're going to end up, let's see if I can push that down in there, with this one looking similar to this, okay? Just like so. And then we're going to take, I want mine to sit up right about here, I think. So I'm going to use some, I don't know if my vellum tape will allow me to. I'm going to go on top, so it doesn't matter. So I am going to put a little bit of tape runner. Now you can use glue, whatever it is that you want to use. And I am just going to place it down here, give it a press. And you can also cut a white square, whatever you want, round it off at the corners, and put your sentiment on the inside. And then I'm going to take one of my little snow hills. And I'm just going to lay that right on top of my acetate. I'm going to get myself one of my little deer. And you can put a nativity scene. There are tons of things that you can put on here. And I would probably glue this. I am, oops, I'm going to save that. I am just putting this together quickly for you guys. And let's see, I want my large one to go in the front of my trees and then the smaller ones towards the back. So let's see, I think I'll put one right there. Actually, I don't want to, I want to glue it all to, I think I will use glue here. I don't want the glue to show through the acetate from the other side. So I'm just going to put glue on the base. And just going to bring that one down here. That is my small one. Oops. Don't do that to me. Do that again. I'm using barely glue and it doesn't really stick well for me. Put that one there. And I'm going to get another small one. Maybe here, just down a little bit. Then I'm going to get this large one and bring it further down. Like so. And then there is a star in there. I did not cut it because I used the stars on my acetate. So super fun, super cute. And if I'm not mistaken, this will fit in a 4.5 by 6 inch envelope. You should be good there. And again, just gonna fold this up. And now I'm gonna start placing some flowers, and I just cut a bunch of different sizes to stick in there. That one's a little big. I don't like that one. Maybe I do. But again, you can put whatever images you want on yours. Put that one there. And you can pop dot them in here, foam dot. I've got some mediums and some large and some small. Just keep placing. Super cute. And then you can place some to the back also if you want. Having trouble getting mine to stand up. There we go. And maybe one more over here. There you go, just like so. Super cute. You can mash them flat and let that dry, and then it will go into your envelope. So lots of things you can do, not just Christmas theme. You can use any kind of themes on these that you want to use. I'll just stick a couple in here just so you guys can see this one as well. It's probably going to be better to put your glue on there so you don't go over like I just did. Totally up to you how you want to do that. Put the glue on and then, or pop dots. I'll go ahead and put this guy on there. I'll do this one in gold. How about that? That one there. Easy, quick, and simple cards. The longest part about this is cutting it out because of all of those little dashes. But if you want to go with a traditional circle or even maybe a scalloped, you can do that. I've seen them scalloped edge. If you want to change that up a little bit, you could do that, most certainly. Said I wasn't going to do both of them, but why not? We're here already, right? Just so you guys can get a little idea of what's going on. And again, you can pop dot these up. And my glue's going to jam. There we go. Maybe here. I'm not going to make you guys sit there and watch me, my glue bottle working. Super fun and easy. So hope you guys enjoy this file and the tutorial. If you need any help with it, please just let me know and I will be happy to assist you. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Happy crafting!